Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, tonight's episode of Uthando Nesithembu will be the season finale, the last episode of season 8. And before I go ahead and comment on tonight's episode, I just think as South Africans, we need to give them Mselebu family a round of applause. I've been saying that season 8 is one of my favorite seasons. It's my favorite seasons, in fact. And I just think they need a round of applause, you guys, because of how vulnerable they've been in this season. Everyone brought their A game this season, you guys. Everyone was really just dedicated to being themselves. And you know what? I appreciate that anyone who can go on TV and open up themselves to everyone saying anything about them. Listen, I commend them for that. So you know what, Mselebu family, you guys have served us for 8 seasons. And yes, we say things about you guys, but you know what? Siyarintanda shame. And really, from the bottom of my heart, speaking for myself, I really hope this family stays intact. Anyway, moving right along, you guys, one of the things we are going to see on tonight's episode is Umusa is having the final dinner, you guys. That final supper, you guys. So he goes to Umayene's house to tell her, Uguti, listen, we're having a final dinner, we're having dinner, I need you to be there. And Umayene says, Uguti, angeke ngize ngiye edineni mina, angilapho mina. Angithi ukhona inkulumo yokuthi mina ngidelusional. Umusa goes on to say, I'm sick and tired of that. I'm sick and tired of wena usebenzisa le excuse ukuthi awufuni ukuya endaweni, you don't want to be involved because nakhu khona abantu abathi udelusional. Umayeni goes on to say in her diary session ukuthi ngenza ngamabomi vele, I'm not going to that dinner because vele umusa wangidelela, you guys. And when we see a small snippet of that dinner, I don't know if it's the dinner but the meeting that they have, I don't see Umayeni there, you guys. Now I'm also asking myself, guys, could it be that this episode Umusa is going to decide to kuga the wives by bringing Usamke by fire by force? I am wondering because I'm just like, every season has to end with a bang. And I'm wondering, Uguti, this season, what is the bang or what is Umusa going to be pulling up his sleeves? But anyway, Umayan is like, listen, I'm not going there. Peace out. You guys go and play Happy Family and Gizingen. Yeah, I ugali shame. She's not interested in anything, and at this point I don't think there's anything Umusa can say to her to convince her. Anyway guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Do you think Umayan is being a bit dramatic about not wanting to attend the family dinner or dinner, considering how that first dinner went where she was asking about Usamke and Umusa did not want to tell her because of this vumelwane that he had with Umatsele? Maybe she's referring to that angazi. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.